The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Mateo Police Department. Residents of the city of San Mateo, stay away from the Sony PlayStation headquarters immediately. At 6:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Sony has suggested the launch of the concept product, the PlayStation 6, to declare a potential launch in 2028. As a result, a large protest has been reported near the headquarters. There are around 1,000 people taking place in the protest. Even though the protest is peaceful as of now, all residents of San Mateo must stay away from the Sony PlayStation headquarters and the protest, as riots can start at any time. The San Mateo police have been called in to deal with this situation. Do not participate in the protest. If you do this at your own risk, you will be arrested and questioned.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Mateo Police Department. Residents receiving this broadcast, lock all of your doors immediately. At 6:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, mass rioting has been reported at the Sony PlayStation headquarters. The rioters are causing civil unrest, heavy theft, damage to property, and injuries. In addition, the motive of the riot is that Sony has suggested the potential release of the concept product, the PlayStation 6, in 2028. The police and the FBI has been called in to deal with this situation. All residents of San Mateo are advised to remain indoors and avoid travel. Lock all windows and doors. Do not let any strangers inside your home. If a rioter enters your home, use armed protection by all means. This includes deadly force. If you go outside, you will be immediately executed by the FBI. Do not participate in the riots, as you will be arrested. Stay tuned for further details. An administrative message is transmitted at the request of the San Mateo Police Department. This is an all-clear message. The rioters that were reported near the Sony PlayStation headquarters have ended. There are at least 2,500 people arrested, 500 injured, and 235 deaths as a result of this riot. It is now safe to exit your homes at this time. However, there is massive debris across the city. The mayor of San Mateo will deliver a speech at 10 p.m. today.